My name is Jess Rabourn. My first career was managing capital for big investment companies until 2008, when the hero in my life, my dad, was diagnosed with ALS. That's a progressively paralyzing and fatal disease with no known effective treatment. Like a lot of patients, my dad had a logical interest in exploring new drugs that had a chance of improving his outcome. His doctors felt the same way, but there are real barriers. So I left my firm in New York to focus on the business of new drug development and ways to do a better job engaging all patients who want to take part. In the process, I've given over 25 conference presentations and published 6 papers on the topic. I began consulting for drug companies and disease organizations on the regulations and best practice of expanded access. Check back for our advanced expanded access workshops on data collection and biomarker discovery, cost recovery and payers, the old narratives of possible interference these programs have on research, and collaboratively sponsored access programs. Visit our website and YouTube channel for updates, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.